guys, my name is Dan, and today I will show you my new website. Okay, this is my new WordPress site. Now I have recently imported my WordPress site. I have recently imported my website to my new WordPress site. Here there's literally nothing to it except blog posts. Some of the elements get imported, some don't. Yeah, I will edit my site later, but that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.